Right, folks, welcome to another video by your boy Crypto Weapon, and this is showcasing again Quopi AI. Now this is a fantastic trading AI bot which essentially trades the stock exchange, and it's been doing so for quite a few months now. So I'm very happy with this one. We've had no issues with regards to withdrawals, deposits. Everything seems to be very smooth. Now I must say here the your gains every day. So you're making 1.7 on the 10th, 2% on the 7th, and 3.3% on the 6th. Now the most and the lowest I've seen highs of 4.5. I've seen lows of roughly 1.3. So that's where you're living day to day in terms of what you will actually gain. Now guys, I've been out of the picture for about 9 days, I might say, since my last video, and my last video was Quopi AI just because of how it's delivering. Now the fantastic thing about it is it's just the security knowing that I could disappear for 9 days, not look in my account, not check, not worry that the withdrawals are not going on, not worried that it could have disappeared. It's just been consistent. Coming soon is the Google Play and the apps, the availability on App Store as well. So can't say anything bad about Quopi AI thus far. Now let's look at if you did want to join. So there's a link in the description. Feel free to take a look. Start small if you want to join, and if you think this is something for you. It's definitely been something for me, and that's why I'm documenting this. Now I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. Take your time, do your due diligence, and make sure that it's something that suits you. If you did want to join, simple, get started there. I think the minimum is about 10 USDT, or we can go via open account. Just put your name, username there. Remember, it doesn't have to be your real name. So username, email, again, it doesn't have to be an original email. Make sure when you're in the crypto space, just use a separate email for all your crypto activity. Password. Yeah, click on there, it'll just verify that you're a human, and of course tap on register. It'll then prompt you to sign in. So that's what I'm going to do now. I am going to sign in, and guys, as I'm signing in, just to show you, I have got my 2FA set up, and I would obviously recommend that you all do the same immediately after signing in. You know, just for your security. Let's have a look. Okay, so we're in. So there's 6 minutes. It's offline for the next 6 minutes. Like I said, it operates during the New York Stock Exchange. So that'll be 9:30. That it'll get going. So I'm sure it'll be 9:30 there in the next 6 minutes. So latest results, we've sort of seen that I made an initial deposit of 500 USDT. It's been 18 days and I'm 37%. Remember, once this hits 30 days, you do get your deposit back. And with the current trajectory of 2% or 2.5%, 3% average a day, I should be on 64% come 30 days, 64, 62. Somewhere in that neighborhood, which is absolutely fantastic, super consistent. Now you've got notices that will sort of highlight what's been happening. Profit received, I think that was the 3% day. This might have been the 2% day. Made a withdrawal some time back, so it's looking very good. Quopi AI, I tell you guys, this is the truth. It's obviously the way platforms are going to go, just being consistent, not trying to give you too much. Yes, they sort of have your initial capital, they hold that, but my upline has done 2 cycles easy, and I think it's on the 3rd one. So I will be looking to up this now that I'm back, because it's done nothing but deliver. I might look to compound an amount as well, but guys, do follow your strategy and your own principles. I would withdraw every day, and ultimately diversify. I am in a few platforms, so the diversity is paramount in this space. And and that is an update on how to get started. You can obviously go to, if you were to deposit, let's take a look at that, stake funds. So this is what you want to do once you've registered. Click the Tether if that's what you're happy to use. I use Tether. If you click Tether, for instance, you would then leave it on outer wallet because that's where it's coming from. If you were to stake from within your balance, you would click that. So then you enter the amount that you wish to deposit. So say if it's 100, you would enter that 100 USDT, and then you would unclick automatically restake at any point. So you don't have to necessarily do it now, but you can do it at any point, just so that you can withdraw your gains every day. If you do not untick this box, your gains will be reinvested and you won't be able to withdraw them every day. So I am going to do this eventually, just because of my confidence in the platform, and especially once I've ROI'd. So that's crucial. Like I said, the minimum is 10 USDT, so that's fine. And then what you would do is you would stake your Quopi AI Trader. Once you do that, you would get your, let's see what happens. Okay. So it's expecting you to deposit 100 USDT. You've got your crypto address that you would take to your crypto wallet, and you would deposit the funds. You would do a withdrawal from your crypto wallet and deposit into this address. So you copy this across to your crypto wallet, and that's it. And within 10-15 minutes, your deposit of 100 USDT will be in your account, guys. So that is everything you need to know about getting started and depositing. If I look here, I do have a balance that I'll look to withdraw. I'll obviously do a video on how to withdraw next. So as far as I'm concerned, guys, keep your 2FA on all your platforms. Like, subscribe, support the video. We're back, and Quopi AI is delivering. And with that being said, I will see you guys in the next one.